In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to launch the Startup Repair utility on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if you're experiencing issues with your Windows startup. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. If you're unable to boot into Windows, you can just do a hard power off 3 times in a row. So basically let the computer turn on and then hold down the power button to shut it off. And then after you've done that 3 times, it'll automatically begin running the Startup Repair utility. If you're able to boot into Windows or get to the lock screen, you can select the Windows Start button and then select the power icon. This will be present on the lock screen as well. And then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart on the screen. And once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the Shift key and just give this a moment here to load the troubleshooting options. And now on this page, select Troubleshoot and select Advanced Options. Underneath Advanced Options, you would select Startup Repair, fix problems to prevent or keep Windows from loading. Let this process run automatically. It's a pretty automated process. It could take 15 minutes or longer, so just would have to be patient. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.